So here is the second problem where we have to find expected value and variance of x, where x is number obtained on uppermost face when a fair die is thrown. Now everybody knows a fair die having 6 faces. So probability of, so here I wrote s equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 points in sample space. Therefore n of s equals to 6, and probability of getting number on uppermost face is 1 by 6 for every x. So I wrote here PMF for x. This is actually a word problem and we have to find PMF by using this word problem what they have given us. So x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and corresponding probabilities are 1 by 6, 1 by 6 in each and every case. So for this distribution or for this PMF, we have to find its expected value and variance. Again we have to do the same columns. So those are xi and corresponding pi's. As we have to find expected value of x, so we want summation xi pi, and for finding variance of x, we require this summation xi square pi as well as summation xi pi. So here is the table where we wrote xi's, corresponding pi's. Now xi pi product, so 1 into 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 into 1 by 6 is 2 by 6, 3 into 1 by 6 is 3 by 6 and so on. So what I get its summation as summation of xi pi equals to 21 by 6 and summation of xi square pi as 91 by 6. Check out this summations. Now come to the next slide. Now I have here values of xi pi as 21 by 6 and values of xi square pi as 91 by 6. So its expected value is given by e of x equals to summation xi pi, and summation xi pi is 21 by 6. If we divide numerator and denominator by 3, so 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So what is expected value, which is 7 by 2, or we can write 3.5. And what will be variance formula? Variance of x is e of x square minus e of x bracket square. But what is formula for e of x square? It is summation xi square pi minus expected value of x is summation xi pi whole bracket square. So xi square pi is, we will check what it is, xi square pi. So here xi square pi is 91 by 6, right? 91 by, here 91 by 6, and now put this value in the given variance formula. So 91 by 6 minus this 7 by 2 bracket square. So I'll get here 91 by 6 and minus 7 square 49 by 4. So finally if you consider its LCM 24, so you will get its answer as 35 by 12. One more thing I want to tell you is expected value may be positive, may be negative, may be 0, but variance of x never negative. It always greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because this variability is e of x square. So if x is negative, its square will be positive, and here this is, if expected value is negative, again I'll get this as this square as positive, and always this subtraction every time it will be greater than or equal to 0. So whenever you are finding variance, always